Check this out.
Alright guys, this is Chris19, A.E.F.E here. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and look at our referral links down below for how to build credit, or if you want to get investing. We have Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance. We also have the links that we have to build credit, which is going to be Extra, C5, Credit Strong, and Self. So right now we're going to update the credit scores here and see what we got going on with the credit. So this will be for the previous month, the month of December. See what's affecting our credit also, and things we can do to make it better here. So we're going to hit update scores here. Let's see what we got for the first month of the new year here. Booyah. Uh-oh. I don't think it's wanting to load for us. Processing. Alright, what do we have here? Let's see if we got better or worse. I'm thinking it'll get worse because I have not paid off my credit card. So let's find out. Oh, wow, we went down. Alright, so TransUnion stayed the same. Equifax went down and Experian went down. And pretty much, I'm pretty sure it went down a lot because I did not fix my credit card. And so I'll try to fix this month. So next month here, it won't be as bad. So we can click on this and see what's affecting here. Alright, so the things that affect my credit score on here is, let's see here. How are my scores calculated? Alright, so we click on how my score calculated and we'll see what's going bad here. Payment history, because I haven't did my credit card. Outstanding debt, I haven't did my credit card here. So as you can see here, payment history is 45, I mean not 45, payment history is 40% of your credit. And so your payment history here would be, see, delinquent because I've not paid my credit card, and that 40%, see, it's three times on here, once on here, and once on here, and that's a big impact because it's 40%, and because I did not pay my credit card, this is how much it's having on my thing. And delinquent, boom, it didn't go to Equifax, that's why I wasn't affected, and it's twice on there, and so that's why we took a big hit on there. Because paying your bills on time, which should be your credit card in this case, it's an important thing you can do for your credit score. This shows creditors that you're willing and able to meet your obligations. And so payment history is 40% of the credit here. Outstanding debt, we're also in the red here, which is going to be my credit here. Look at that. Dang, I gotta get that card paid off. And so generally you want this number here, you want to keep this number below 30%. If it goes over 30%, it will negatively affect your credit. And so what that means is my credit card has a limit of 2,000 on it. It's the same one, 2,000. This might be from Cons, but my credit card has a limit of 2,000 on it. So that means I can only use 30% of 2,000. Actually, I went over that a lot, and that affects my credit by 35%. So once I get my credit card down to 30% and paid off, my credit will go up by 75% right here, because that's only two that's affecting it. So you see how that one deal right there, one outstanding balance, guys, or one loan will do this much damage to your credit. Your account types here are having a diverse mix of different account types demonstrates your abilities to meet credit obligations. So that means that you have to have multiple accounts. So you already have 2 credit cards or real estate, something like that right here. See, I have the installment loan. This installment loan right here is coming from Credit Strong. So this is what's giving us that installment loan, which is a business credit, and they're reporting it on there twice. And so this is helping us out a lot with that because we have Credit Strong. So that's what's happening with that. You see, port it twice on here, port twice on here, and then port 4 times on here. So we got 4 instances of that. I couldn't tell you guys what other was. We don't have any real estate because I don't have any houses in my name, so I don't have real estate. Revolving credit. So like I was saying, credit card. So credit card would be my self credit card and my self loan here. Hang on, I might have to pause the screen because I have to log in. Hang on one sec, guys. Alrighty here, so see on self here, this will count as revolving credit, which is my credit card that I have to pay down because I'm already over 30% on, and also they give you a loan, which is also be considered a revolving credit. Now you guys see why this is going down so much because I'm over the 30% on my credit. This is the percent that I'm at, and you can see that this is indeed accurate, 124. And you see as a reporting on here. Let me just go back up to it. As you can see that it's reporting on here as 127, so 4, 5, 6, 7, about 3% off. So you gotta see that that is accurate. And so that's the account types right there, which isn't, there's only 10% of your credit right there. Your credit age is another 10%. So good. You want to have average age. They want 3 years, 3 months, 3 years, 3 months. So 3 years is good. 2 years of credit is good. So having credit age, keeping your same bank account. So this is my bank, is Bank of America. So keeping your same bank account. This is cons. Back when I I got a TV from Cons, so I still got that same credit thing on Cons. So that's good for my credit age. Bank of America, I had Bank of America for the longest since I started working. So that's good for your credit age right there, having the same bank. And this is Cons based like a loan or something like that. You know how you get things on credit at the store? So that's all Cons is right there. Lead bank. This is from Self right here. So Self lead, so that's also helping me out. So lead bank from Self, which would be this right here for the card. So Self helps you out with that. Self lead bank, that's the other Self one, not C5, that's the other Self one here, which would be the loan right here, will help you out. So you can see Self is helping you out twice. And so the proof is in the pudding. I'm showing you guys Credit Strong and Self and how it's helping us out right here. And Self again, see? Because I did Self again, so it's on there, was for the same guy, but what I do not see on here is Extra, and this is why I'm skeptical of Extra, because Extra says that they'll help you build your credit and establish credit. See, build your credit without debt. They say they help you do that, but I don't see Extra on here at all. Let's look at newest here. This might be Extra. Yeah, PayPal. Okay, I lied. Okay, Simba. Okay, this is Extra right here. So they just started reporting on this date. Alright, so, okay, Extra's on here. Extra on here. While this is normal and represent the lowest impact of your score, it is a good idea to refrain from opening a bunch of new accounts in a short time. And so this is probably when I saw that Extra there. Alright, so my new activity, because I open new accounts, that's excellent, so that's good. My credit is good, my account type is good. The only thing that's never affected my credit is my balance here. So I can probably get my credit up to 700, 800, pay my credit card off, and keep that balance down, because these are the only two things here that have the big impact on there. So imagine what my score will be once I get these off. So, and all that equals up to 100% of your score right there. So it's very important to keep that in mind there. And we find 23 accounting reporting difference. So these everything is pointing to my 3 credit bureaus right here. My credit accounts right here, all my old credit accounts right there. So these alerts, so it just shows you what you have on there, which is not important here because these are only for me, so it wouldn't affect you guys at all. But it will tell you about negative when stuff is posted to your credit and you want to dispute and stuff like that. But I know what you guys are really interested in was the things that affect your credit right here. And so they keep track of your total balances, payment, stuff like that. Which we're getting off track now, but we're really interested in what affects the credit there. And so our credit score is fair. We got to get it to we were here trying to get to excellent. So we got to get everything to excellent. Right now we only got one thing at excellent, and we got 2 things at bad here. And so that one excellent, I guess everything else is good. It brings it up to fair here. So so yeah, that brings up to that. So we have to get the we have to work on that credit score there. We have to work on these right here to get it up. Because once we get these 2 to, if we get these to excellent, then I'm pretty sure we'll get to 700. And so it's nice to look at it and help you out. And you can click on here to see what help you out. Paying your bills on time is the single most important credit score. This shows scores that you're able to pay. So you pay off our bills and reports here. We're good. And we also take care of our outstanding debt too. So obviously this is from Cons, because I'm still paying on Cons, and this is from Self because I went over on that. So yeah, we get those paid off, and we'll be in good condition, and we'll see our credit score will actually jump up a lot. Now, what I'm using to dispute some things on my credit, I'm using Lexington Law Firm. You can use a bunch of different people to dispute things on your credit, but I use Lexington Law Firm to dispute old things. So I think things only stay on your credit for a total of, I think 5 years, I think, depending on what it is. And then it falls off. So I have made some mistakes on it, so I just graduated school. I got some things on credit I shouldn't have got. The accounts went into default. And so now with Lexington, it helped get me all that stuff off my credit, which helped me out a lot. But yeah, so we'll see if we can get this up. So what I'm going to do this month, guys, I'm going to try to pay this down as much as I can, and we'll see how much this affect our score once we get this percentage. Once we get the percentage down, we'll see how much it affects our score. And Self is a great thing to use to build your credit, get your credit up. You see Self has a credit card right here, which will also build your credit. And they also do Self loan, which builds your credit. It's not a loan. It's basically you're putting money in savings, and you're paying what, $2 or $3? I forget how much you're paying them, but you put money in savings every month with Self, and they give you money back at the end of so and so time. And they also give you a credit card, so they're double impacting your credit positively here. And so that's why I like them. Credit Strong. This is a great way to build your credit right here, because it does a business impact on your credit as an installment. And so my credit history has business on it now as an installment for this right here. And this is our projection goal, where we going up. We actually went down in December. You can see it was going up. Then I didn't pay that credit card right here, and look how much that tanked down. And that's the goal, to get to 765. So C5 is good. It's one-time use for me, but C5 is real good. It's really cheap and fast. It's only like 3 or 4 months, so real cheap and the fast way to start impacting your credit and stuff like that. So C5 is really good. Extra it just takes too long to get a result out of that bad boy there. But yeah, that's pretty much everything here on our credit report for the month, and we're gonna do another video at the end of the month for this month and show you guys how everything was. But hopefully this helped you guys out. Don't forget to subscribe, and also use some of the referral links in the description. Or you want to build your credit there, or you want to start on investing, we got the links down in the description there. Leave some comments to let me know what you guys have questions on, or if you guys need help, or help me to make these videos a lot better for you guys. And I'll see you guys over in the next video.
Remember, you have friends in the new monarchy.